What is going on, everyone? Got an unboxing video here to share with all of you, and what you're watching is me unbox my new gaming chair from Secretlab. This one's called the Titan 2020 gaming chair. I went ahead and chose the stealth color gaming chair. I thought that was a cool color, and as you can see, it comes in its very own box, and it's extremely well packaged. Lots of packing material, lots of foam in there, and even the plastic that the backrest is in has a logo on it. So they did a really nice job. It makes you feel real good when you get something like this and you pay a lot and it's packaged well. So I just used a pair of scissors there, cut that out from the packaging. And on the backrest there, you can see it says Titan, and that's embroidered, and then it has the logo and stuff. Very, very nice. And then in here, there was a little pillow, and that goes to the top of the backrest, and that is made out of memory foam on the inside. Then, of course, you have the wheelbase here. And then there's a big notice here that says don't grab the reclining lever until you have the chair fully assembled. That way it doesn't like accidentally spring back real hard and damage something or hurt you. And the casters actually came in a box of their own. They're very well packaged in there and their own foam and everything. I thought that was pretty cool. And then the release mechanism that goes on the bottom of the chair is right there. And that was pretty much it. I chucked everything back in the box, moved that out of the road, and then started to assemble this chair. It comes with this great big cardboard there with all the instructions, extremely simple to do. Should take you no longer than 20 to 25 minutes at the most. And then here I'm just putting the casters down into the wheelbase. All they do is press down in there. And then the hydraulic cylinder piston thingy there, and you just put the plastic over that. Now the screws, there's actually screws there in the backrest, and you just remove them. They're already pre-installed. So you got to remove them, and then you can bring the chair part over, or the seat part, and then slide it into place. Again, lots of plastic and stuff wrapped on there. So once you get that backrest down in there like that, then all you need to do is put the two screws in on each side and tighten them. There's no way to adjust them. You just simply put them in place and tighten them down. So then it comes with these nice little plastic covers that cover up all the screws there. It makes it look really nice, gives it a nice finish. Then I just went ahead and put this release mechanism on there. It takes 4 screws, and all you do is put them in place and then fasten them down. It actually comes with a little wrench for you to do that, and it comes with an extra, I believe it comes with an extra screw as well. There's also these plastic paddles, and they just slide into place there on those levers, and that is what allows you to go up and down with the hydraulic piston on the chair. And that was pretty much it. It didn't take me long at all. Everything went together very nicely. And there's just a look at the chair. Very cool, very comfortable chair so far.